In this episode, we will be learning how you can copy Zangi link. You can easily copy a Zangi link to share it with others, so here is how you do it. First of all, open the Zangi application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the Settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Invite Friends. Now in the pop-up, click on Send Invitation Via option and you will then be able to see this pop-up where you'll need to click on the Copy button. Right after you copy that, you will be able to copy the Friends Invite link for Zangi. You can also share it directly via other apps such as WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. You can use the copied link to share it with your friends. So that is how you can easily copy a Zangi link so that you can share it with others in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.